Hello everyone, welcome to the Vedantu guys. Today I am going to discuss about a very important question, right? So according to this question, we have to find out the area of one such equal region, and we are having the two curve y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x intersects each other at a infinite number of points, including the region of the equal area, guys, right? And compute the area of the such equal region. So here sin x and cos x graph is given. So red line denotes the graph of the sin x, y equal to sin x, and the blue line denotes the y equal to cos x, guys, right? So guys, we know that you can better, as we know that what we know that guys, sine minus pi is equal to sine minus pi is equal to 0, and sine minus pi by 2 equal to minus 1. So we can write here the it will be the minus 2, sorry, minus 1, and it will be the 1, guys, right? Because we know that the range of the sin x is equal to minus 1 to 1, guys. Okay, and sine 0 equal to 0, and we can say that sine pi by 2 is equal to 1, and sine pi is also 0, and sine 3 pi by 2 is equal to minus 1, and sine 2 pi is equal to 0, guys, right? Similarly, we know that all the values of the cos x also, guys. So cos minus pi uh, is equal to, we know that it will be the minus 1, so we can draw the this, and cos minus pi by 2 is equal to, we can say that we know that 0, and it will be the cos 0 is equal to 1, and cos pi by 2 is equal to 0, and cos 3 by pi by 2 is equal to 0, and cos pi is equal to minus 1, and cos so you can plot by this, because we need this part, guys, because according to the question we have to find out the area of one such equal region that is present between the intersection of the sin x and cos x, right? So first intersection of the sin x and cos x at this point, guys, and you can say that between the 0 and pi by 2. So we know that what we know that, guys, between the pi by 2 and 0 it will be pi by 4, and we also know that the at the sine pi by 4 is equal to cos pi by 4, both value is the same, so we can consider it as a equal, and so this is the intersecting point, guys. Okay, everything clear, right? And similarly, and another intersection point is what, guys, right? So it is present between the pi and 3 pi by 2, so we can find out the middle of the pi and 3 pi by 2, it will be the 5 pi by 4, guys, right? So how you can find out the middle point, guys? By adding the both, and after adding you have to divide by the 2, right? So we have to find out the area of this region, right? And after because this is the one equal region, and after this it is repeating in equal interval, guys, and after the 3 pi by 2, after 5 pi by 2 2 further, guys, right? So guys, how you can find out the area? So you can, first of all, how you can find out the area of this region, guys? So you can say that area is equal to, what we can write here, area is equal to, it will be what, guys? Pi by, limit will be pi by 4 times to 5 pi by 4. Okay, everything clear? And how you can denote this area, guys? Because the upper line denotes the sin x, and when we take the sin x, so it will gives the all areas, right? And when we subtract, and this line denotes the cos x, so after subtracting we will get this region, guys, because this line intersect this line gives the area of the this region, guys, right? So after subtracting you will get the area of this region, so we can subtract sin x minus cos x. Okay, and after finding the integration of the this function, so you are able to solve this question, guys, right? You are able to find out the area of one such region. So now I am going to find the region, guys. This is the most important thing. Now how we can find out? Now we know that what we know that, guys, we are having area is equal to what we have pi by 4 times to 5 pi by 4, and it will be sin x minus cos x, right? We had this term, guys, it is equal to dx, and we know that the integration of sin x equal to, we can write here cos x and minus cos x, guys, and we know that the integration of cos x, it will be the sin x, and we can write here the minus sin x because negative term is present here, guys, and the limit will be from pi by 4 to pi 5 pi by 4. Now I am going to put the values, guys. Now I am going to put the limits. So what we can write here? So first of all, we will put the upper limit, guys, and upper limit is 5 pi by 4. So we have to put the 5 pi by 4 instead of x. So minus cos pi by 4, 5 pi by 4 minus what we can write here, guys, sin 5 pi by 4. Okay, and now I am going to subtract. So after multiplying with the negative sign, it will be the positive. So cos x, guys. So what we can write here, x equal to, we have to put what, guys? We have to put pi by 4 means lower limit, guys. So it will be the cos pi by 4, and plus we can write here cos, sorry guys, what we can write here? We can write here the sin pi by 4. Okay, sin pi by 4. And we know that the value is equal to minus cos 5 pi by 4 is equal to what we can write here, guys? We can write here 5 pi by 4 is equal to what we can write here, pi plus pi by 4. So it will be what, guys? So we can write here the pi plus pi by 4, right? So it lies in the third quadrant, and similarly we can write here the, it will be the pi plus pi by 4. Okay, guys, and it will be the cos pi by 4 is equal to, we can write here 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, right? It is simple. And similarly we can write here, it will be the third quadrant, and third quadrant, in the third quadrant cos will be the negative, so it will be the positive, and we can write here the minus cos pi by 4, and minus minus it will become positive, and plus we can write here the sin pi by 4, and we can write here what we can write here, 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, so it will be, guys, 2 by root 2, and similarly after adding it will be the 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2 plus what, guys, 2 by root 2, and after adding we will get 4 by root 2, and after dividing we will get the result 2 root 2. So it will be the correct answer for this question, guys. So thank you.